princess. A princess named Aurora, and I have the vending machine like that. And I have to press this button, and the teller time out right here, and there's somebody else to take it and tweet the teller, okay? Well, time for my vending machine. I will help you. I want blue, okay? Blue to umbrella. I just want the blue, so I didn't put the choice, but I have blue right here. You got your blue right here. Oh, awesome! This vending machine is time out. It's so cool. Now it's your turn, Dindy. What color do you like? I just wanted the purple. I sold down purple. Sorry, I cannot sell you purple. It's sold down. It's down over here. Because I cannot reach it. I cannot like the rest. Sorry. Have to choose another choice. Blue like my sister. Is your sister or not? Yeah, it's my sister. And you have to really stop and go to your sister. Sit. Well, not tell what to do. I need the rest. Sleep here.